You didn't kneel during the anthem, but you also didn't wear a Black Lives Matter shirt. Do you believe that Black Lives matter?
Absolutely. I believe that Black Lives Matter.
Dave from Basketball Digest. Kevin, KD, why do people call you KD?
Russ, did you guys lose this game or did the Jazz win this one?
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man? Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
This is obviously a really tough loss. Devin, how frustrated are you for Chris right now?
Next question, please.
Chris, will the Clippers be back here Sunday playing the Game 7?
What? I'm on the team. What you want me to say? Nah, it's over. I mean, that's what you want to hear? Yes.